Hello everyone, this is Sicarius. I decided to do a unboxing of the Star Trek Mission Crate box, the first box. So as you can see, the box looks like the Galileo 7 from the original series. Alright, so we have, there's the top. They made it look all completely just like it. Front. And the other side. And the back. Do not open while in operation. Alright, so, and as you can see, Loot Crate and got QM products inside. Alright, so let's open this up. And inside looks like it too. That's awesome. And the famous quote. Alright, so got my shirt, we'll get to that in a minute. Alright, here is the Locutus figure that they had promised. Limited edition, Master Series. And this is the QM product. Alright, let's pop this open. See how the figure looks. Wait a second, people. Trying to do this on my phone. Pretty nice. Okay, let's set that aside. Okay, and here we have the USS Enterprise D. Hold on a second, people. Okay, so nice looking ship, and it comes with a stand. Okay, set this aside. Alright. Star Trek Discovery badge. And I'd got wanted to get the command for the shirt. So each shirt is supposed to be different, and everything's supposed to be catered to command for this. So maybe someone that got engineering got in the engineering badge. Don't know, but that's just awesome to get that. And it's all magnetic by QM. Quantum Mechanics is a good brand for collectibles. Alright, so everybody gets a code for Star Trek Online. And mine is to get the Federation Starter Pack. And it says PC only. I play it on game system. So, and we got a car decal, Borg. Last theme was Wolf 359. And here's the thing telling about each one. So yeah, here you go. Everybody got a different one. your chosen Starfleet division. Since I want command, I got command. You got medical, you got the engineering, and you got operations. Sorry, operations, science, and operations engineering. So everything for that. Surprised they didn't put a thing in here for the next one, which the next theme deals with the Klingons. I can't remember the name of it at the moment. But inside the box, you know, looks like just like the shuttle. Alright, so let's see what this shirt looks like now. Alright. Definitely will be wearing this shirt out. I always love the Next Generation. Alright, so that's nice looking. Real nice. Alright, there you go, people. This box was late. And they were supposed to ship this out in January. Next box comes out next month. So, we'll see how that goes. But they supposedly delayed it because they wanted to make sure something in here was perfect. So, alright, thank you for watching. And I'll try and do one for the next box.